Frustrated by the Win32 Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. As we prepare to fix Win32 Library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Win32 Library, a foundational system library from the early Windows NT era. While modern Windows uses kernel 32 and user 32, many legacy hybrid 16 and 32-bit applications still call Win32 DLL for base memory pointers. If missing, retro software will report DLL entry point not found, or arithmetic overflow during the process bootstrap. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Win32 Library. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Win32 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. A quick warning, many sites offering Win32 Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Win32 Library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Win32 Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.